Many trustworthy members add a full access or all access collaborator to their account. This could be a spouse, partner, family member, or even a trusted professional like a wealth advisor, family officer, or a personal assistant. A full access collaborator, remember, can gain access to everything in your account. You'll get an email notification once they join your invite that you sent to them. To add a full access collaborator, from your dashboard, you can click on Manage in the Collaborator section, or in your profile menu in the bottom left, you can select Manage Access here. Okay, I can see I already have a full access collaborator here. If I want to add another, select Add Role, choose Collaborator. We're going to show you your family IDs. These are people that you designated in your family. If you don't see the person that you want to invite there, you can select Invite Someone Else and specify their name and email address. They'll get an email invite and they can join your account and get access to the data that's in there. In this case, I'm going to select I'm a cardholder, one of my family members. I'm going to choose All Access and go Next. Once I specify the email address, I can send an invite and they'll get an email and they can join your account.